So you find a product on Amazon, then you jump to find a supplier on Alibaba, you instantly launch the product, and the next day you're driving your very own Ferrari. Is this business model real? Let's get started. Yes, the business model is real. Not to this exact same extent, but it is real. And the popularity of selling and purchasing, so for both customers and sellers on Amazon, is growing day after day. But because Amazon is becoming more popular, more competitive, you really need to think outside of the box when you want to think about products to sell on this Amazon platform. Not only is Amazon competitive, but the e-commerce customer nowadays has so many more options and so many different websites to purchase from. So you really need to think how you can stand a little bit outside of the box and stand out. Now, the normal thing to do when you want to do product research is to use tools. We always talk about tools here on the channel like Helium 10, AMZ Scout, and others that help you find products to sell on Amazon. But everybody uses tools. So what other ways can you use in order to find these really cool products? Why not look on social media? Places like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even Snapchat, maybe even X can help you find really cool products to start selling. But for this video, we're gonna be using TikTok. I think it's one of the coolest platforms to find products to sell on Amazon. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, and you leave me a comment in the comment section below. And maybe you can win a consultation call with me where we talk about everything related to selling on Amazon. And remember, we have our free training. You'll find all of the details in the description box of this video. Now you might say, hold on, isn't TikTok all about viral products? And you hear me all the time talk about selling not viral seasonal products, but selling solid, everyday, evergreen products that you can sell for a very long time. Well, yes, there are viral products such as the fidget spinner or the poppet, which have absolutely no demand. All of a sudden they shoot up and then they nosedive. Those are the types of products that we want to avoid. And there are everyday evergreen products that simply become viral or increase demand due to social media platforms. These products are already in demand, but they become even more popular because of accounts on TikTok. And those are the types of products that we want to search for. Now, of course, you can use TikTok on your phone, but let's use it on the computer. First of all, I logged into TikTok and I typed in Amazon finds. You need to always use an actual search term that most people or most affiliates use. Amazon finds, Amazon must-haves, those two things are very good. And then I moved into accounts. So here I'm looking at particular accounts. Look at these accounts. This account has 2.1 million followers. That's a lot of followers. This account has 172,000 followers, 665,000 followers. That's a lot of followers. Now, these accounts are affiliate accounts, which basically means these sellers, or yeah, I'm gonna call them sellers, but these affiliates or these influencers, they create these TikTok videos, they create maybe Instagram reels, and because of those things that they create, the content, customers or viewers will actually see the content, they will use the affiliate link and then purchase the product. And once they use the affiliate link of the affiliate themselves, then the affiliate will make money. So, in other words, if the product doesn't sell, then the affiliate will not be promoting it. So that's why I would recommend that you look at accounts. Now let's check out Juliana Claire's account. She has so many different really cool TikToks, very aesthetically pleasing, so many different things from home products, and you'll just find so many different and interesting products. Let's check out one of the products. Let's check out this product. It's a really cool chopping board with like additional features and containers. And if we move on to Amazon in the UAE, we'll find so many different chopping boards. Like this one is selling 200 units in the past month, obviously because it's such a low price, but still it's getting 200 orders. This one is getting 50 orders. And this is just data coming directly from Amazon, by the way, these little notifications right here. That's the actual same chopping board that we found, so we can figure out how many sales this product is getting. Now, what about Amazon softwares or tools? Do you actually need a software or a tool to help you find products on Amazon? Well, to be honest, you can do product research without utilizing a tool, but tools can help you make data-driven decisions rather than emotional, subjective decisions. The last thing that you want to do in business and on Amazon in particular is sell products that you like or that your friends would like, and not products that customers want to purchase. And that's why tools can give you data so that you can make informed decisions and you can avoid making mistakes. We are partnered with Helium 10. If you've watched videos on this channel before, you know we've got so many tutorials that are related to Helium 10. I'll leave a lot of them linked in the description box of this video. But if you are still not using Helium 10, then you'll also find a discount code that can give you up to 20% discount on all of Helium 10's memberships. You'll also find it linked in the description box of this video. Now let's get back to TikTok. This is really such a cool platform. You'll find TikToks that are focused on one product, but you'll also find so many TikToks that are featuring multiple products so that you can really maybe even sell multiple products, bundle them together or something like that, or you can really find a lot of product ideas. But just like anything related to business, and in particular on Amazon, it does take work and effort for you to really find a good product to sell, something that is unique, something that helps you stand out, but at the same time, something that is really truly in demand, because that's at the end of the day what you want to provide a customer that's logging into Amazon and searching for whatever product that they want. Now, if you're still struggling with doing product research and you want to work with the Amazon Sellers Society to help you find exceptional products to sell on Amazon, make sure that you reach out to us always on our official website, www.assmiddleeast.org, where you can also book a call with the team and know a little bit more about all the services that we provide great Amazon sellers like yourself, particularly focused on the Middle East market, UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.